Hello, I'm back to the tests with the Slayer Exciter. This time I have an interesting thing. I'm using a tip 41 and a 12 volt lead alum battery. The voltage on the battery is 12.3 volts. I'm just with a LED cluster in here, and also using a CFL from L3 to earth ground. But before the CFL, I am with another battery. I was using this battery to make some tests, and the battery went down to 9.8 volts. And here is the interesting part. It is in series with the CFL, and the CFL is in series with the earth ground. So I have the bottom coil here connected to the battery, positive to the battery. The negative of the battery is going to the socket, and from the socket I'm going to the earth ground. And this is the best part. I'm with 13 volts almost. No, I think I'm with 13 volts in here. It was below 10 volts. And 13 volts on this battery, lighting up a CFL, and the driving battery is with 12.3 volts. And another thing, you can see there is a diode in here. This wire is coming from the other side of the CFL socket. What I found is that if I connect that diode, it's on this white wire in here. If I connect the wire that is going to that diode on one side of the socket, CFL socket, the light goes dimmer. But if I connect on the other side, the light does not get dimmer. The charge of the battery, this battery, is faster, and I'm with 12.3 volts for a long time. I don't know if this is helping something. But I'm testing, and I have to make another cycle after this battery here discharge to, let's say, 9 volts. I will take this battery that is now with 13 volts and use as the driving battery for this layer exciter. And I will just switch the batteries. I'll place this one to drive this layer exciter. When it discharge, I'll place it in here to charge. This is the first cycle. This battery was driving this layer exciter just normal with the CFL in series with the L3, and then this battery discharged, and I decided to make this test. Maybe I can use this kind of light charging one while running, and when the running battery discharge, I will just cycle them. And I have, if this works, you can have light, I mean just making a switching device maybe, or just changing the batteries, and you can have this light forever. And another interesting thing, I've made this LED lights a long time ago. This one was made on, I don't know, let me see, September of last year. And just touch here and you can have more light without changing the charging of the battery. And on the other side too, on here, I have to find a socket and place it for testing. But here is the two things that I'm testing now. Charging a battery between the L3 and the CFL, and from the other side of the socket of the CFL I am with this white wire connected on this red wire, going to this diode back to the positive rail, I mean the positive of the battery, and you see it is on 12.3 volts for a long time. And this is the third interesting part. 12.3 volts in here, 13 volts in here, and this battery was with 9.8 volts. I'll try to discharge the other one and make another video. Another experiment with this layer exciter, and this is my hope that using this method of charging the battery while running the lights. I can just switch between the charging and the running battery and have light for a long time. Thanks for watching.